Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the Bitcoin update. What's going on? Bitcoin weekly outlook. A 70,000 US dollar Bitcoin likely despite brutal sell-off. Is it possible to reach 70,000 very soon, maybe this week? Or guys, this will maybe play out. We had three times here to try to come over this important line, and you can see it. We have problems with this. The first try, the second try, and here's the third try. And now, is it possible to play out, to go to the downside, to break to the downside as this big spike to the downside, retest here this important box and go down and down more and more and more? We will check this out now together in this video. Here is the TA for Bitcoin. Here is, before we start, the alternative coin market cap analyze. Here is the fear and greed index, and we have momently greed in the market with 74 points. You can see yesterday we had extreme greed in the market with 79 points, last week 74 points, and last month 75 points greed in the market. Here is coinmarketcap.com. The Bitcoin dominance is going down more and more and more. Momently Bitcoin dominance is on 51.3%. And we can see Bitcoin is going up in the daily chart here on 24 hours with 3.8%, but it's going down with 5.3% in the week. This is the bearish chart picture here on the right side, the last 7 days. Ethereum is going up on the daily with 5%, and on 7 days it's also going up with 3.6%. We have a sideways going picture here, a green chart picture, but it's going sideways. The Binance coin, a big bump on the day, a big bump with 15% on the day, but a dump with 7.6%. Here you can see it, we have a bearish red chart picture. XRP pumping today with 10%, or nearly 10%. It's going up in the week also with 4%. Dogecoin, I have a nice video out there for Dogecoin. Please watch it, guys. I have a nice target for you in this video. Please watch it. On the day, it's going up with 38%. And look at this on the week. Dogecoin is going up with 467%. Unbelievable. Here is ADA. ADA is going up with 3.8% in the daily and 4% in the minus in the week. Polkadot is going up with 1% in 24 hours, and it's going down with 11% in the week. Litecoin is going up with 5% in the week. It's going up with 8%. Bitcoin Cash 6.7% in the plus in 24 hours and 41% in the plus in the week. Chainlink also a big plus on the daily, 15% in the weekly, also a big plus with 20%. Uniswap only 4% in the plus and a minus about 7% in the week. XLM place number 14, 4.6% in the plus and 9% in the minus in the week. So, ladies and gentlemen, what coin is the biggest winner of 24 hours? Is it Dogecoin? We will see. Papa, no, it's not Dogecoin, it's NEO. NEO is up with 42%, Kutum is going on up with 37%, and place number 3 is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is going up with 37% also. So these are the biggest three winners, the big three winners of 24 hours. And now, ladies and gentlemen, what coin is the biggest loser of 24 hours? Quack, 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 quack. It's Nano. Nano, 8% in the minus. Bitcoin Gold with 2.4% in the minus, and Celsius with 2.48%. So guys, you can see these coins momently are all coins going to the upside. With 2%, you are in the big three, in the top three of the baddest performance coins. So the cryptocurrency world is going to the moon for the moment. You can see it here on this on these bad things with 2% and 2%. It's unbelievable. So, okay, guys, here is the technical overview. Here is Bitcoin. And what is telling us this one here? This is the daily time frame, and this is Tradingview. And Tradingview is telling us with this moving averages, we should sell Bitcoin on the daily time frame. With the summary, we should be neutral, and with the oscillators also we should be neutral. Okay, let's check the 4-hour time frame, and everything on the 4-hour time frame is telling us strong sell, and the oscillators also sell your Bitcoin. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not the financial advice. 1 hour on the short term, everything is telling us buy Bitcoin. On 15 minutes, we have a buy, a strong buy, and a neutral. So very, very interesting. On 4 hour, we should sell it. On 1 day, we should sell it and neutral. On the week, on the big long time frame, we are bullish everything is fine. We should buy Bitcoin, and the moving average is also telling us buy that Bitcoin. Here is my last analyze. Here is the analyze from yesterday. I showed you this one here, and this is the 4-hour chart. I showed you this breakout to the downside. I showed you the target. It's possible to reach 42,000 for the breakdown of this technically rising wedge target here of this pattern, and the breakout target for this pattern is still 42,000. This one is still active. The big thing we have to watch is the golden pocket. I showed you this also. That's on 51,000, and yes, we touched it perfectly, and now we see a nice pump to the upside. But what's going on now? We will check this. Will we reach 70,000 in this week, or maybe we will reach 42,000? We will check this now, guys. Let's start as always with the daily chart. Let's remove this things here. No, it's better to keep it. It's better to keep it. Look at the downside. Here is the MACD. The MACD is bearish. The blue line, you can see it here, is under the brown line. That's a bearish thing for sure. We are building red candles here. If you zoom in a little bit more, you can see we are building more and more red candles here. So yesterday, the big candle to the downside, the big spike to the downside. Now on this day, today, a nice green candle with a little wick to the downside and a little wick to the upside. This is momently a unsure closing candle, but we have 12 hours closing time. It's not a problem. So you know it, guys. If I am seeing this here, if I'm seeing this big wicks to the downside, I'm ultra bullish. Why? You can see it here, the big wicks to the downside, and we see a big pump to the upside. Wicks to the downside, we see a big pump to the upside. Look at this wick to the downside. So for the moment, I am very, very bullish. In my opinion, it's easier, or it's more possible to see 70,000 as this 42,000. But let's check this now. Here is the MA21. This is telling us this MA21 is not our friend for the moment. It's our resistance. You can see this big fat yellow line is our resistance for the moment, and we need to stay, or we need to come over this resistance. Very important. This closing candle under this MA21 is a very bad one for TA. Also, it's a very bad one for this lines here. You can see this green light to the upside and this green light. This is the rising wedge, and we closed our candle under this rising wedge. So from the technically, this is bearish. This is extreme bearish, because a closing candle is a confirmed candle, a confirmed breakdown of this rising wedge, and that's a really bearish thing. So EMA ribbon, what is telling us the EMA ribbon? Momently, we are fighting in the EMA ribbon. And if we are zoom out a little bit more, you can see this EMA ribbon is a big, big, big friend for a bullish Bitcoin, for a mooning Bitcoin. Is this ribbon band the best friend you can have? So you can see it here. We spiked here completely down under the ribbon band, but you saw a bounce to the upside. Here, once again, Bitcoin going down in the ribbon band, bam, bounce to the upside. Here, once again, the Bitcoin down in the ribbon band and going to the upside. And now you can see it here also. We are fighting in the ribbon band. Maybe this is a good sign. As long as we are in the ribbon band, everything is fine. As long as we are in the ribbon band, it's possible to bounce also to the upside here. So, okay, for this daily time frame, it's hard to say 42,000 or 70,000. We have to watch it. We have to watch it. Let's zoom in the 4-hour chart. What's going on here? 4-hour chart, MACD bearish. Look at this on the downside. The blue line is still under the brown line. The good news are these red candles here are not dark red anymore. They are light red. And maybe now we can turn it into a green one, but it's not looking so good. Look at this. We are building lower lows here. You can see it here on the 4-hour chart. This was our low here. Then this one, this one, this one. These are all higher lows. This one, and now look at this spike. We are under this point. This is a lower low on the 4-hour chart, and this is extreme bearish, guys. Extreme bearish. Attention, attention, attention. Also, we have to watch another stuff here. Let's go out here a little bit. We have on the 4-hour chart here a bearish downtrend. We can draw it here with my, where it is, here it is, with my downtrend from the highest point here, from the upside to the downside, like this here to this here. This is a bearish downtrend, and we are momently in this bearish downtrend. The good news are, you can see we are over this middle line. The middle line is this blue line here, and we are momently over the middle line. with this candle, we closed over the middle line, very nice, and now we are still over the middle line. The bad thing we have to watch, and the big thing we have to watch, this is the EMA 200 line, this yellow line here, and we need to cross this line, very important. We have on the 4-hour chart so much resistances. The ribbon band, a red ribbon band, a short position, a EMA 21, and now the EMA 200 also. So guys, it's not easy for Bitcoin in the moment. For me, from the technical point, this is a very, very bad thing. If I see this and if I watch this now on the 4-hour chart, I am bearish. I'm ultra bearish because so much things here are against Bitcoin for the moment. I know, big bull run, and institutions are buying Bitcoin with millions and billions, and I don't know. But from the TA, from the technical point, guys, I'm not so bullish for the moment because of these things here. You can see it on the 4-hour chart with your own eyes, guys. Look at these resistances. So as long as we are under these resistances, I am not bullish, guys. Let's check the next thing. Let's check the 1-hour chart here. Let's go deeper. And here we are. Okay, we are over the middle line, that's for sure. MACD, what's going on with the MACD? On the 1-hour chart time frame, we have a bullish MACD. The blue line is over the brown line. Yes, very, very nice. MA21, and look at this. The 1-hour time frame is looking better as the 4-hour time frame. We are over the MA21. This is now our friend. This is our support. As long as we are over this on the 1-hour time frame, everything is nice. Everything is fine. But we need to stay over the MA21. Ribbon band, what's going on here? And the ribbon band is the hard fight for the moment. We have a red ribbon band. We have a short position here from the upside. You can see this one. This point here is the short position, and we are still under the ribbon band. As long as we're under the ribbon band, it's very hard for Bitcoin. For the 1-hour chart, it's looking better for sure, but oh god, it's not easy, not easy. So guys, you know, if you're looking at this thing now, if you know it, the 1-day chart, we have a neutral and a sell. Why? You can see it on the chart picture. On the 4 hours, we have a sell in the strong side. I'm also, if I'm looking at the 4-hour chart, I'm also ultra bearish. And if I'm looking at the 1-hour chart, it's looking better. And you can see it here also. Yes, it's looking better. So guys, this big, this technical analysis here from Tradingview is working. It's really working. If you don't know what you should do, you can use this for your trade. You can use this to make your own decision here. It's really, really not the baddest thing here to watch this. So this is the 1-hour chart, and yes, you know these things. What are the big things we have to watch now, guys? What are the big things? Still possible is this target to the downside, this green line, this 42,500. This is our technical target for breaking down this rising wedge. Also still very important is this one, guys, the Fibonacci line with 0.786 at 51,700. This is an extreme important support. We need to hold this support. As long as we are over this Fibonacci, everything is fine, everything is okay. But if we will lose this support, we may see a downgoing Bitcoin here. Maybe 42,000, not impossible. Also here, the next line we have to watch 0.618. This is the 41,500 Fibonacci line. Also very important. If we can break out over the ribbon band, if we can break out over this important green line, the green line is, sorry guys, it's a red line, it's a resistance, you know that. If we can break out over this one, if we can break out over this bad downtrend, this would be a very nice sign. We would be back in this rising wedge here, and we have the next thing to watch. This is our all-time high, 64,800. This is this point here. This is the yellow line. But a lot of things must happen that we can see this target here in the near future, in my opinion. So if I look at this picture, I am for the moment more bearish as bullish. I must say this, guys. It's not so easy. I think it's not so easy for Bitcoin, and it's possible to see more retracement here from this point here. Okay, guys, that's the big thing. Guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Very, very, very important for me. Please, guys, watch my live stream. My live stream is online 24 hours, 7 days a week. I'm streaming live on Twitch and on YouTube, and this is my live stream. You can see here all you need for trading Bitcoin. You have here all charts from 50-minute, 5-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. You have here Ethereum also on the upper left side. Look at the Ethereum chart picture. It's green. It's still in an uptrend. It's also working here. You can see on the downside, BNB is dark green, so it's mooning. You see here everything you need, guys. This is my live stream. Greetings to my big boss of the channel, Crom Ranch, and greetings to my nice guys here. They are writing here in this chat. And if you have any questions, please feel free and write it in the chat. Bitcoin Trading Informant live on YouTube and Twitch. Thank you very, very much for watching. I wish you just the best, guys, and I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye-bye.